At long last, the perseverance of teachers to always extend teaching their kids in school for an hour or two more than they should have been has finally recognized and rewarded. And the extra pay is not shabby at all because it is equal to a fourth of their take-home pay, as our Kenneth Paciente threshes out in this report.
As a teacher, Ana can't avoid that her job requires her to spend a little extra time on teaching.
Yung overtime teaching namin is we go beyond the 6 hours kasi yung mga batang nangangailangan po ng remediation, kailangan pa rin namin silang tutukan after the classes. Though hindi naman po yung buong buong klase, but then at least nagtuturo pa rin kami beyond those time na dapat ay hindi na.
The sacrifice of teachers will now be recognized by the Education Department. Based on the Department Order Number 005 issued by the DepEd, the department has set guidelines on the overload pay to teachers. This additional compensation is the DepEd's recognition of teachers' welfare as stated in Republic Act Number 4670 or the Magna Carta for Public School Teachers. Based on the DO, teacher overload pay is for teachers who teach more than 30 hours per week or 6 hours per day of actual teaching. Therefore, they should receive at least 25% additional compensation on top of their regular remuneration. But teachers' teaching overload should not exceed to 2 hours in one day. This is applicable to full-time teachers, whether permanent, provisional, or in substitute status in public elementary and secondary schools.
Maybe it's high time for us naman na teachers na mabigyan na ng tamang pasahod or tamang compensation upang sa ganun ay kami ay ma-motivate na lalong maging good sa aming sinumpaang trabaho.
The Teachers Dignity Coalition has recognized this step taken by the DepEd, especially now with a standard in place on how to pay the overload pay of teachers. However, the group fears this order could be a reason to require teachers 6 hours of teaching each day instead of their actual teaching time load of 4 to 5 hours a day.
Sana yung mga doubts at yung mga worries ng mga teachers as regards to this DepEd Order Number 5 na inilabas ng kanyang tanggapan ay ma-resolve through an open dialogue. Sana immediate, sana within next week bago ito full implementation kasi syempre alam naman natin na papasok na tayo sa bagong school year.
On the other hand, House Deputy Minority Leader and ACT Teachers Party List Representative Franz Castro was delighted over the overload pay for teachers.
Isang tagumpay itong DepEd Order Number 5 para sa ating mga teachers dahil matagal ng panahon na ang Magna Carta for Public School Teachers, 1966 pa yan, may mga provision para sa mga overload tsaka yung overtime pay na hindi naipatutupad ng DepEd. So babantayan natin yung implementation nito, dapat talaga hindi na naman magkaroon ito ng kung ano-anong interpretasyon.
The department order also stated the more rationalized workload of the teachers following the removal of their administrative tasks. Based on the DO, the teacher should expend 6 hours on actual teaching, while 2 hours are for ancillary tasks that can be completed inside or outside the school premises. Kenneth Paciente from the National TV Network for a New and Better Philippines.